Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add audio from your PC library to CapCut. So you are just going to select import here and you're going to find your audio. So I'm just going to select desktop and find the audio, and I'm just going to select it, and it's going to be imported to your CapCut. You can also extract audio by going to audio here and scrolling down until you find extracted. Select import and just select any video that you want that has an audio in it. So let me just go to downloads, hold on, like here for instance, and then it's going to just extract the audio from there. That is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!